How's it going, Getaway Homes family? Today I'm at our property. It's an Airbnb. It's 1342 West 31st Street. We call it Riverwalk. You can go on Airbnb and VRBO and rent this place out. What's cool about this Airbnb is that it's really close to the incline, Ruby Falls, Rock City, and we call it Riverwalk for a reason, because if you go out this way, you have the whole Riverwalk front, and it goes all the way into downtown. You could ride your bike straight to downtown. You're close to St. Elmo. There's some great restaurants, 1885, Goodman's Coffee, all sorts of cool things. So now that you know, there's a lot of fun things you can do right at the doorstep of this unit. Let's go in. Let me show you around. Let you see the inside of this unit, so that if you're interested in doing these things around town, you can come stay here. So let's go check it out. Because you're not far from downtown, you take a left and you're going into downtown. That's Riverwalk. Now I'm gonna take you, if you took a left on the Broad Street from the unit, we're gonna go into downtown. So I wanna show you how that looks. All that right there was an old factory that they're renovating for the new Chattanooga Lookouts baseball stadium. And it should be opening up this year. If you're a baseball fan and you like the Chattanooga Lookouts, or you're in town and you want to catch a game, you're that close too. But you can do more than just baseball. There's going to be like restaurants and shopping and some really neat features they're going to add to that baseball field. You can get on the highway, head towards town that way, or you can go that way and head towards East Ridge, Georgia, and Hamilton Place, Knoxville, all just taking a right. So the choo-choo right here, it's historic Chattanooga choo-choo. It's got some fun things in there. There's a frothy monkey in there. There's a distillery in there that makes gin and bourbon and that kind of stuff, and they have live music. And then there's Nick and Norm's. The interesting about that, it's a restaurant based on Norm and Nick, the creator and the actor from Walking Dead. They have a restaurant there.
No brain.
That's pretty cool. Here is Warehouse Row. So take a right on Houston, and there's a meat shop, there's Public House, there's coffee, and a lot of really high-end shopping in there. And it's my wife loves that place. During the summer times, they call this nightfall. They still call it that. Right over here, and then behind us, they have amphitheaters, and you can come and listen to live music. And they close that street down, MOK, and have vendors and that sort of thing. There's some cool areas in this here, cool spots, cool restaurants. We're getting ready to cross over Market Street Bridge. This is Market Street. There's just so much to do. in downtown Chattanooga. I can't take you everywhere. I'm just showing you the straight shoot from that unit on how you can get to mostly everything. You have the Jack's Alley here. You go up this way, you can go into the UTC Mox Arena where they have events and concerts. There's the Bluff Art District up there. All right, this is the heart of the touristy part of Chattanooga. There's a theater, there's a mellow mushroom, a climbing, but right here you have the Tennessee Aquarium. I'm crossing over Market Street Bridge now. You have Walnut Street Bridge, the walking bridge. They're remodeling it. It'll be done this year. And then to the right of me, right off of this bridge, you have Coolidge Park, carousel, a water pad for kids to play in. That's all right here to my right. So now we're on Fraser. And you go left, your Cherokee, you go left, you can get into Red Bank, but right, we're gonna go down this way. And this is a fun little spot, especially there in the summertime. A lot of shopping and coffee, ice cream. There's another company's ice cream here. You can get to the riverfront, Coolidge Park. There's a nice sandwich shop down there. This is a good place to take a jog and a run. There's your entrance to the bridge, but like I said, it'll be done shortly. They're supposed to be done by the summertime, I guess. All right, I'm done showing you guys around. We hope that you would come visit Chattanooga, stay with us. That's just one of our Airbnbs. We have so many others. Today I just wanted to show you Riverwalk. You get a beautiful shot when you come into town and leave town in the contrast of the mountains and the river and the aquarium in downtown city. It's just a pretty picture, and you wonder why so many people love living here and want to be a part of the Ketterer Homes family. So God bless you. We'll see you around. Have a blessed day.